Hey everybody, Leann Forst here, and I wanted to talk to you today about one of my favorite oils called rosemary. So y'all are familiar with rosemary as an herb that you could cook with, and essential oil, rosemary essential oil is basically the essential oil that is extracted from the rosemary herb to create the oil. So I wanted to talk to you about all of the benefits and why I love it so much. In fact, I'm diffusing it right now, and I diffuse it almost daily because what I find is that rosemary essential oil creates mental alertness and stimulation. So diffusing it helps to wake you up and get you ready for your day. And when I have a lot to do, diffusing rosemary is one of my favorite things to do. So it also is really my go-to for brain health. And it is an oil that can be taken internally, used topically, or of course used aromatically, all three ways, especially when it's doTERRA certified pure and therapeutic grade essential oil. And rosemary is also known for being good for breast health, okay? For cellular breast health, you could use it topically. At least that's what I would recommend to do. You could also cook with it, to add nutrients to your cooking for that rosemary flavor. So for mental stimulation, diffusing it's best. For cellular health, cellular breast health, using it topically, but it's also known to help with respiratory health. It's also known to help with muscle, joints, and pains. And probably what it's most known for is hair growth and supporting a healthy scalp. So for that reason, I like to add rosemary to shampoo. And even for my daughter who goes to middle school and where, lice tends to go around sometimes, adding it to her shampoo has helped to maintain a healthy scalp so that we're not bringing anything home. So those are my favorite ways to use rosemary, and it, not to mention, it just smells amazing. And that's why I'm diffusing it every day. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below, and make sure to grab my ebook below this video. Thanks.